Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how Python code will going to execute it, and also you people are going to learn few words which are related to the programming. Okay, then had print statement, add parenthesis, within a parenthesis add quotations. Hello Sudhakar. Okay, I need one more statement. I would like to draw a imaginary dog here, so that's the reason I need one more print statement. Print, add parenthesis, quotations, who followed by four hyphens here. Then click enter. Then print, add parenthesis, add quotations, add some space followed by 4 bars here. So this is the body of the dog and this is the 4 legs for the dog. So this is considered as example. Okay, now let me run this code, see what it happens. Okay, just right click, run python, run python file in terminal. Oh, see here is the our output here. This is the hello Sudhakar and this is the imaginary dog, right? Okay, what you need to understand from here, actually we are going to understand here. I earlierly told here Python interpreter. Okay, whenever we are going to run this program, the Python interpreter start executing from top. First it will execute the first line, then it will execute the second line, and then execute the third line. So this is how Python will executed code from top. Okay, this we need to understand. So that's the reason I would like to take the example for this imaginary dog. Okay, let me show you something cool here. Let's add another print statement. Print, add parenthesis. Oh, sorry. Just wait. Click enter. Print, add parenthesis, add quotations. Within a quotations, I would like to add the asterisk symbol. Do you know asterisk symbol? Shift 8. Okay, this is the asterisk symbol. Okay, before the quotations, after the quotations. Okay, just wait, after the quotations and before the parenthesis, please, where we are going to write one more asterisk here. After the quotations and before the parenthesis we can add some space and again we can add the asterisk symbol and some space 10. Now what's going on here? Yeah, anybody know what's going on here? Okay, let me teach you how what's going on here. So what we call, this is a string, this is also string. What is string? String means series of characters here, and we are going to multiplying these strings to this 10 number. Okay, within a this piece of code, with help of this piece of code I will going to write 10 asterisk symbols in terminal. So this is the reason I would like to draw this one. Okay, let me run our program, see what it happens and what's the result was. Just right click, run python file in terminal. Oh, this is beauty. Here will be have our 10 asterisks, right? So this is how Python program will get executed, my dear friends. Okay, once again I will told about how Python get executed code. Python interpreter will start from here only. Always Python code start executing from first line only, then it will execute second one, third one, and so on. Okay, I think you people are understand what is Python interpreter. Okay, I will stop here only because video get lengthy, so that's the reason I have to stop here only. Bye bye, take care.